get a club.
I'm not a big fan. I'm a DeWalt guy, but I got this one for free. So I'm gonna show you how I use
Gavin, can you please move?
I'm not gonna drill in left-handed. I'm a right-handed driller. One.
Who uses a left hand? ABCs. Here.
The beauty of this whole experience is we're doing this with a 1 and a 4-year-old. And you know, when you have a 1-year-old and a 4-year-old and a tough day, that's gonna.
You mean to say a tough wife?
I was gonna say tough wife.
Tough wife. Yeah.
A loving wife. So.
Just to make a little note, I did not stab him. That was a pumpkin.
Right, that was a pumpkin patch.
Oh, now that the camera's on, now you dance.
Hello, Hang-O-Matic fans. Tonight we are going to hang a picture on this wall.